Alright, today, since it's raining, I'm going to show y'all a mod that I'm going to do. And this is for my 10-inch Wagtail when I do residential. If I don't so choose to use my water-fed solar brush or my Wagtail wave or my high flyer, because the high flyer on certain frameworks on residential, you could be stuck detailing the ends. But I noticed with my Orbital, I never had that problem, especially if you're dog-earing. So, what we're going to do today is we're going to mod a mop and squeegee combo flow going on to alleviate having two separate tools, switching the mop and the pole, or having two poles, one mop and one squeegee. I don't have to worry. I can flip the mop back. This mod, in case you haven't seen other videos, maybe you might come across mine first, but it's nothing special. It's nothing different than what anyone else has done before on YouTube. Some people might do theirs a little different. As you will see, mine is different from maybe some videos you have seen, but they all basically do the same thing. So sit back, watch, and enjoy this fairly easy mod. Alright? The first thing you're going to need, ties, cable ties. Now I stay with these. I found all types of handy uses, so you might want to get a big bag of these. Then you want to have some cutters. This is good for a lot of different things. There's a wire cutter in here, and you're going to need a coat hanger for the length of your mop, and an old mop cover. I'm using the old golden glove that busts out at the end, and you slide it down through here. You'll see how it goes. And then what you want to do is you get a drill bit, a bunch of different sizes. Doesn't have to be nothing fancy. I think this was like $3 or $4 at Harbor Freight. This will drill through metal, especially aluminum, because aluminum is soft. So what I did was I drilled 2 holes on the outside of this. Now you can't do this mod on just any type of channel, only the Wagtail, if you're going to do it my way. There's another way to do it, but I'm just showing you the way I prefer to do mine, because I like to have like a more swinging action, like a hinge. Y'all will see.